Xiaomi Repair East Kilbride. We repair all common Xiaomi faults. Xiaomi screen replacement. All Xiaomi models are welcome. We can do your Xiaomi screen repair or Xiaomi screen replacement in East Kilbride while you wait. Xiaomi speaker repair. Xiaomi earpiece repair. Xiaomi microphone repair. Xiaomi water damage. Xiaomi camera repair. Xiaomi ports or connectors. Xiaomi battery replacement. Unlock Xiaomi handset. Xiaomi home button repair. Get that sticky or non-functioning home button fixed on your Xiaomi. We can do this for you quickly. Contact us now. Xiaomi Repair East Kilbride 01355 222 438. All Xiaomi models welcome. Xiaomi screen repair. We fix all Xiaomi models. ekrepairs.co.uk